Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. Second, I'm going to talk about my tribe experience in Aquitania, Boyacá. 3. I'm going to talk the weather in Aquitania. And 4. I'm going to give recommendations if you go to Aquitania, Boyacá. Okay, let's go. This is I. My name is Jonathan Prieto. I am 26 years old. I was born in Duitama, Boyacá, but I live in Neiva City. I have no children. I study 6th semester of Engineering Telecommunications in UNAD. Now, I am working in the National Police. I like the sports and the music. Okay, go to the second step. In this, I'm going to speak about my experience to tribe in Aquitania, Boyacá. In my last vacations, I went to Aquitania, Boyacá. I stayed 3 few days and went with my girlfriend. I liked it because it was cheap. I just paid 500,000 Colombian pesos. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to White Beach and I liked it a lot. The Aquitania's weather changes during the day. In the morning it is usually icy and cloudy. In the afternoon it is warm and snowy, and it becomes muddy when it is rain. Finally, in the night is cool. Okay, I give tips of recommendations related to what to do in Aquitania, Boyacá. First, it is recommended that you visit the White Beach. It's wonderful. Second, it is necessary that you have sunscreen and hat for the bad weather. 3. It is important that you wear bathing suit. 4. It is recommended that you not leave garbage in the beach. 6. Is a good idea that you use a camping for the sun. The sun is very hot, very hard. 5. It is recommended that you ride in horses. It is very funny. 7. It is recommended that you ride in motorcycle of 4 wheels. 8. It is recommended that you test a typical plate denominated cocido boyacense. Now, what should people do in the Aquitania, Boyacá? The people should go to White Beach and swim. 2. The people shall visit the Lago de Tota in Aquitania, Boyacá, and the people ought to use clothes for the cold climate. Now, what should not people do in the Aquitania, Boyacá? Okay, the people ought to not leave garbage in the beach. 2. The people should not return without to eat onion, and the people shall not return without to visit the Lago de Tota. This is very funny, very wonderful, sorry. This is all. Thanks for your attention and see you later.